Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. Today I'm going to share with you the new Spellbinders card kit of the month for the month of October. And before we get into making some cards, I'm going to share with you what you get inside the kit. So your kit is going to come like so, and first thing that you will notice is this Spellbinders card making idea, in which they provide you with some tips on how you can use the dies that they provide, and also with some ideas on how you can put everything together. So we have one of these, and Spellbinders is going to provide you with a ton of ephemera. If you saw my Spellbinders September card kit of the month, you just saw how much ephemera you get. And let me put this to the side because I am so excited that, oh my gosh, this package is so thick. They include so much ephemera in their card kits now. Look at this. You get 2 of each, and there are a ton of things here that you can use. These beautiful die cuts that, oh my gosh, you could probably make a mini album with all of this stuff. So anyhow, you get a ton of ephemera like you see there. You're also going to get your set of dies, and in this month we have something like 11 or 12. Let's see, set of 16. Oh my gosh, you're going to get 16 dies in this one kit. And oops, one just fell off. Okay, so you're going to get a set of 16 dies. You're going to get your tape. You're going to get some pop dots for your cards. You're going to get some buttons. Aren't these pretty? Let me get them off the wrapper. See, they come in a cute Spellbinders wrapper, and you're going to get these buttons. Are so super cute with these epoxy stick-ons. Aren't these adorable? So you're going to get that. You're going to get your 10 cards with envelopes, and as you can see, this is good quality cardstock, not the flimsy one. You're going to get some trim to play with, and let me put this to the side. You're going to get some tags. These are gorgeous colors, and let me just go ahead and get some of these out. See, you're going to get these beautiful tags, and these are kind of like project lifestyle cards. Aren't they pretty? Look at that. They're so super pretty. Look at that. Oh, look at these birds. They're cockatiels. Oh, and look at this. And these are double-sided, my friends. See that? I'm sorry, I did not show you the other side to them. These are double-sided, and look at the pretty designs that you see here. And this part really excites me. Aside from everything else, Spellbinders now provides you with your own paper pad. Oh my gosh. You get your own paper pad, and let's see what beautiful colors and designs we have on here. This is a one-sided paper pad, and it is a 6. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? A 6x6 paper pad. Lovely watercolor designs, and oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. How pretty is that? I love it. I love it, to make some wonderful and cheerful cards. And I believe let's see, yep, it's 2 of each design. And this is so super cool because it comes in their own packaging. I love it, love it, love it. And let's see, you're going to get some string, and you're also going to get some sequin. I love sequin, and I love the copper color sequin. You're going to get some stamps, and this stamp set is called Watercolor. And let's go ahead and open it up right here and now so you can take a look at the designs that you get on here. So your stamp set is going to look like that, and that's a pretty big looking diamond. See how big that is? And so, yeah, let's see. Oh, it says you helped me grow. How nice is that? So this is kind of like a terrarium, I think. And so you're also going to get some stickers. But look how they've packaged these. These are so super awesome. Now, these stickers come in their own packaging. And see, these are dimensional stickers to go with your cards. And you get some word stickers. And you get more, these are the see-through stickers over here. So it doesn't stop there. And let me pull this out. And Spellbinders always provides you with a double-sided shimmery golden cardstock. And this time, this is that copper color, because I guess a lot of the things have a copper shine to it. So you're gonna get the copper. You're gonna get a white background. You're gonna get this beautiful teal color background. You're gonna get this beautiful earthy green color, and this pink, and this navy, and oh my gosh, this is sunflower gold. I just love that, and black. So you're gonna get all of these items in your Spellbinders card making kit, and each kit every month is going to have something different, something exciting, and oh my gosh, I can't wait to start card making. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So I thought I would make one of the cards from the idea card in the kit, and I'm going to put my own spin on it. What you see me doing here is I'm using my Spellbinders Platinum 6 to die cut both leaves and bracket. Now the bracket, if you cut 4 pieces of it, you will make a frame. And what I'm also die cutting is a sentiment that is included in the kit as a die, and that one says celebrate. So here you see me going through the 6x6 paper pad that is provided in the kit, and I decided to go with the peach tones for this card. And as far as trimming the paper is concerned, I measured it. All I did was hold it up against my card, and I put a notch on the sides where I wanted to trim it. So here I am ready to add the first layer to my card base, and I'm using that double-sided tape that is provided in the kit. And here you see me playing around with some of the die cut pieces, and I always do this right before I start gluing anything down because it'll give me a better indication of how everything is going to turn out. So once I have a very good idea of what my project is going to look like at the end, I begin gluing everything down. Okay, so for card number 2, I decided to go a totally different direction. There is no die cutting whatsoever on card number 2, and I am just utilizing all the wonderful ephemera that Spellbinders provided me with in the kit. Okay, so now for my third and final card, I decided I was going to be brave and try some embossing with embossing powders. I have my heating tool. I have that pad, that embossing pad ink or whatever it is that you call it in the embossing powders. So I was a little brave and I said to myself, what's the worst thing that can happen? So anyways, this is my attempt at embossing, and I honestly don't think it turned out half bad. I mean, I'm still learning, and maybe the next time I'll just have to remember to add a little bit more of the embossing ink. So here it goes. Enjoy the video.